neck on the dance floor at Chelsea's bar. I should have turned her away, but I was out of sync. I was firing,
just the right amount of heat. Sweet too.
But we were both sad and lonely after what death had done. But like rattlesnakes kicked across the ground. Our true loves were dead, and our hearts were full of grief. I was firing.
Homemade garden fresh sauce on it. Now some cheese. This is extra old cheddar. And we got mozzarella too. Lots of cheese. Okay. Now all our veggies. Vegematics are going to go wild about this one. Hungarian peppers. Some basil. Green onion. Thai chili. Mini garlic bulbs from the tops, but as much as you want, and then tomato, the heirloom tomato, the best tasting tomato, in my opinion. Cherokees they're called. Put them on. All right, perfect. And we'll just lose the rest on the top, right? The last bit of cheese, mozzarella. Starting to get warm. It's okay. Spread that around on a nice even fire, and I'll show you why. Because we're going to be putting this on the Handzee stone. This is our pizza top. The Handzee stone. I'm gonna hit it with some oil. Just get a little paper towel. Over it over. You can make your own Handzee stone. All you need is 1/4-inch steel, hot rolled steel plate. And treat it like a cast iron pan.
I'm still firing, you're still
gasoline. Right back.
Yeah, I was firing, you was gasoline. I was firing, you was gasoline. I was firing, you was gasoline. Well, in the miracle of time, I say she's done. Oh boy, look at that. Sorry, Vegematics, but this is how we roll.
This is the part where the pitmaster is going to eat in front of you, and I'm not apologizing. That's me. Check that out. Beautiful. Just remember, next time you're looking for a recipe for your pet, check out BBQPitBoys.com. All right, see ya.